What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a SIM card and a SD card into your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. My name's Sergio. Welcome back to the video. In this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so you don't miss any of my future videos. And there's going to be a bunch of useful links down below in the description. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to install both the SIM card so that you can receive service to make phone calls and use data, and also the SD card in case you're running out of memory on your phone and you want to transfer some files from the device to the memory of the SD card to free up space. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Let's go. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to locate the SIM tray ejector tool, which is this little pin thing right here. Every phone comes with one. If you don't have yours, you can't find it, or you lost it, you can also use a paper clip or an earring as well. So we're going to locate the SIM tray, which is on the upper left hand side of the phone. We're going to place the SIM ejector tool in the little hole and press it in. Once you press it in, it's going to come out just slightly like that. Okay, then you can just use your fingernail and pull it out. There you go. Once you have it out, you'll see that on one side it says SIM and on the other side micro SD. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let's place the micro SD first. You're gonna place it in this position, push it in until it clicks, and flip it over to the other side and place the SIM card in like this. As you can see, the slanted part is over here, so we're gonna place the SIM card like this. Once again, press it in till you hear a light click. There you go. And then once you have it like this, you are ready to install it back into your Samsung Galaxy A15. Okay, so let's go ahead and place it right here. Okay, once you have it in there a little bit, you can just gently push it in with your finger. If you're using the correct SIM card and the SIM card is activated, you should pick up signal right away. It should pick up service. You should be able to make and receive phone calls right away, as well as using the internet or using different apps that use data. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to set up your SD card so that pictures and videos that you take from now on your camera save to the SD card rather than the memory of your phone. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to open up the camera app. You're going to go over here to the settings wheel. In the settings wheel, you will scroll down to where it says storage location. Here in storage location, select it, and now it will give you the option to select SD card. Okay, so when you take pictures and videos now, they will save to the SD card memory and not the internal memory of the phone. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to transfer old files from the internal memory of your phone to the SD card so that you can free up space on your phone to continue using your phone normally. Maybe you don't have any more space to download apps or take any more pictures or anything. So I'm going to show you how to free up space on your phone now. So all you have to do is find My Files. So it's usually in the Samsung folder. Select My Files. Here in My Files, you will see now there are two storages. So the internal storage and the SD card. So what you're going to do is select internal storage. The pictures and videos that you take with your camera will usually be saved in the DCIM folder. So select that, select camera. Here you will see all of your pictures. What you want to do is you want to press and hold on the first picture, and then up here, select all. It will select all of your pictures and videos. And then what you want to do is you want to select move. Okay, now you're gonna have to select where you want to move it to. So let's go back. Let's go back again. Now we're gonna select SD card. I'm gonna select the same folder to have it organized. So the DCIM folder in the SD card, and here in the DCIM folder, I'm gonna save it in the camera folder. Okay, I'm gonna select move here. And as you can see, the pictures and videos that were in the internal memory of the phone are now on the SD card. Let's go back to make sure they were removed from the memory of the phone. So let's go back to internal storage, DCIM, camera. And as you can see, there are no files in the camera folder anymore. So that is how you transfer files over from the internal memory of the phone to the SD card. Keep in mind, you could do that with any other type of file that you want to do it with. So you could do it with music files, downloads, etc. All right, everyone, so that is how you install your SIM and SD card into your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Go ahead and give the video a like if it helped you out. Comment down below, let me know if it did. That's all for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, peace.